Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the MAXTRAX Hitch 50. These are a really handy bit of gear because a lot of your factory tie down and transport points aren't actually rated for vehicle recoveries. So if your vehicle doesn't have rated rear recovery points, these are perfect. It's designed to go right into your existing hitch receiver and replace your towball tongue when you're heading off-road. Within seconds, you can have a rear recovery point rated to over 8,000 kilos, ready to go when you need it. A really cool fact of the Hitch 50 is it's actually one solid piece of alloy that's been machined into this shape, so it is incredibly strong. Another great thing about the Hitch 50 you'll notice in their design is there's actually no sharp edges at all, so it's not going to slowly tear your ropes while you're recovering. So whether you're stuck in the mud or sand and you need to get pulled backwards, or maybe your mate's stuck behind you and you need to pull them out, this is one of those things that you'll be very glad that you've got with you. It's simple and quick to install, and it is a really important bit of recovery gear. And so that is the MAXTRAX Hitch 50.